Hi everyone, this is Russell with CID Solutions. In this video, we're doing an overview and a demonstration of the CID Heavy Duty Auger. Now CID is an American fabricator of agriculture and construction attachments. One of the best features is their powder-coated finish. This is combined with protective coverings on all hoses to increase the attachment's durability. Speaking of durability, the CID Heavy Duty Auger has a flow range of 8 to 25 gallons per minute. It can take 3,000 psi continuous and up to 4,000 psi intermittently. Because of this, no challenge can withstand its force. In fact, this auger can accommodate beds from 4 inches all the way up to an impressive 36 inches. It can tackle many different soil conditions in the toughest of environments effortlessly. I'm telling you, with a wide variety of bits and accessories, the CID Heavy Duty Skid Steer Auger can get your job done in no time. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the CID Auger, go to skidsteersolutions.com.